lovely people, how na dey? I also na dey fine. In today's video I want show now how I take make this curly crochet wig. So I start with the attachment. When I use two color of attachment. So I just brush the hair like that. Now the two color na be this. So I take small one for the black and the other color. I mix them together. I put the black one on top. So I go roll around now. I just twist the hair like that. As I do and finish, I put them for hot water. So when the hair dry now like this, now the coils be. I'll start to the crochet the hair now. This wig cap now size M now I use. The curly hair now I just divide that into two. I'll start to the crochet am. as I crochet the hair finish, I use the outer separate the part because I know I may be all round. But if you use the hair, maybe like all round, if you on side part. So I'll trim the hair now, small. The ones will be like say no coil, your trim and comot. Your trim around like that. Now the final look, now it be this. Before you go, may you subscribe. Bye.